All right, let's talk about the features and benefits of Surfer SEO. I'm going to go through all of it so you know if this tool is for you. And then I'm going to give you an alternative tool, which I think is even more well-rounded than Surfer. So diving right in, one of the main features they have is you can evaluate, optimize current pages. So you can analyze your website pages. It'll give you a content score, position, a rank, and an improvement score, so that you can then go through all of your pages and improve them. I'm not sure if it tells you exactly what to improve on them besides the score. I would imagine if you click into them, you can open and view the content editor and it'll tell you how to improve each page. So that's something you definitely do from an SEO standpoint. The other thing is you can create content that ranks, so SEO optimized blog articles, and then it'll give you a content score to be able to rank it in real time. The probability of it ranking, you can do it in different languages. So pretty straightforward. You can write, edit, rephrase in your own voice. You can boost your content's depth with different topics. And so it's pretty easy to create content based on your niche and based on what you need to do. The other thing they have is you can find topics and ideas. So you can put in search terms and then find reliable, viable topics and keywords to target with your content, and then look at different competitors and the recommendations based on that, to strategically outrank your competition. The other thing they have is you can track and analyze sites. So kind of like Hrefs, it looks like. Basically, you can analyze how your sites are doing, different sites, analyze your competition and your SEO over time. So pretty straightforward built-in analytics there. The other thing that they have here is going to be the monitor AI search visibility. So this is important. A lot of AI reviews are taking over traffic because things are getting cited on AIs. People aren't coming in to Google, they're searching differently. So this, you can track how you're showing up under the different LLMs, Claude, Perplexity, ChatGPT, just to make sure that you are getting featured on them and not losing those traffic opportunities. And then they have their pricing here, so standard, pro, and peace of mind with the different features. So there's the base pro plan is they get most of the stuff: track AI visibility, optimize documents, integrations, one-click content optimization, brand knowledge, external collaboration links, plagiarism check, and rank drop detection. This has some different features here for the pro plan. 5 brand spaces, so if you have multiple brands, content ideas and coverage map, templates and custom voices, cannibalization report, and then finally the peace of mind has unlimited brands, advanced SERP analysis, personalized onboarding, dedicated customer service manager, and API access. So those are the 3 plans. So pretty decent. And then kind of why you should choose. Here's kind of the different breakdowns of what they don't have and what they have, kind of like what I just talked about for the different pro plans. So pretty straightforward stuff. The tool that I use that I think has more features and more flexibility here is Arvo. So this is a good competitor. They have a lot of different features that are, I think, in a lot of ways superior to even Surfer that they've added. So the main purpose of this is ranking higher and getting more traffic. So they have article generation, but they take this kind of a step further. So you can generate articles with a keyword and a title, and it'll create amazing articles that you can include your brand assets. So this is kind of the next level. You can include your brand assets. So if I go in here and configure these templates, I can add in my own knowledge base, training documents, my website. I can format this. I can add my website structure. I can do a call to action to my website. Internal linking, I can add my sitemap. So it's going to link all of your pages together. So it's going to produce content and then link back to your money pages, your service pages. You can externally link it to trusted sources, or it'll do it for you. You can add your own images, or it'll do it for you. You can add your own YouTube, or it'll do it for you. And then it creates amazing SEO structured articles that you can then integrate with your website. So here's kind of an idea. All the built-in SEO bells and whistles, meta description, H2s, H3s, alt text, and then it'll internally link to your other pages here. It'll externally link to other pages, and these are written for AI overviews to be featured on LLMs, embedded a YouTube video. So really, really awesome. And then the nice thing about this is you can integrate this with your website. So this will integrate with any website here. And then you can also use the API connect it with Claude to help do an analysis, a gap analysis on competitors, and then write amazing articles that are automated. So you can set this up to be fully automated. You can do an auto blog here. So however you want to do this, you can turn this on and give it a feed, which creates content, and then it'll generate the content and it'll automatically publish it for you. So you can do it this way, or there's automations where you can do this through Claude and the API to automate it that way as well. And then the feed's really easy. You can go in here, create a feed. You can do a keyword feed, a news feed, an RSS feed, or a YouTube channel, and then it'll create content based on those feed automated. So if you have YouTube, it'll turn all of your YouTube videos into blog articles. If you have another RSS feed you want to monitor to create content, you can do that. Or you can have it generate a news feed. This is really good for trends. So you can basically do a story. So for news articles, you can get a lot of traffic just via trends. So if I just do Tesla and preview stories, it'll come up with relevant, timely news stories. And then I can recreate them and add in new elements and create a new news story that's in my niche. I just did Tesla as an example so that you could see, but you could do any niche and create trending news articles. So this is kind of a missing piece. So here's recent results. I can click any of these and create a news feed, and then you can have it auto blog. It'll just pull this data every day, pull the recent news, and generate news articles every single day. So you got the news article, you got a YouTube, and then you have regular SEO article. Analytics is really cool. You can analyze any domain. So like similar to what Surfer had. So you don't need like Ahrefs really anymore. You can analyze any domain, kind of see the traffic, your own or even competitor domains. And here we go. The organic traffic, backlinks, domain ranking, all the important relevant analytics, content we already went over, how you can integrate and start, your own auto blog. Here's a really cool feature. So you can do the site optimizer, add your website here. It'll analyze your website and tell you what is wrong with your website. If you're missing meta descriptions, alt text, structure. So it does this, and you can continue to analyze this like weekly, monthly, whatever, to audit your website and make sure that nothing is out of place, nothing's missing. This alone will help you get a lot more traffic and rank. Brand monitor, you can monitor your brand. I just have SEMrush in here as an example. You can monitor how people are searching for the main search prompts that people are using, and then how you're showing up, the visibility across LLM platforms, and then the sentiment. Is it positive? Is it negative? So you can continue to monitor and make sure you're showing up on LLM platforms, make sure your content is getting you seen, which is really, really important. And then from authority, it has automated backlinks. So you can get automated backlinks. How this works is all the thousands and thousands of users go in this pool, and then when they or you create content, it searches the pool for relevant backlinks, high authority backlinks, and then it integrates those in your content as external links. So this works for other people, this works for you, and it's 100% automated. All you have to do is sign up. It's great. Most websites that sign up, I'm seeing they're getting 2, 3 to 5 backlinks per day. One of the really important things that you can do to build your website's authority and get traffic is backlinks, and they're really hard to get. This is a much easier way to fully automate it so you don't have to do so much work getting your backlinks. So this is really next level. So this is a great platform. There's a lot you can do with this. I think there's a lot more to it, and it's very, very easy to use and very, very easy to integrate with your website and other external sources such as Claude, such as Codex, to automate SEO as much as possible. So the link to this is below if you want to try it out. Hopefully this helps you guys out. And if you want more SEO info, automations, reviews, check out this next video. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.